every morning with a God's prayer reduces stress, strain, storm, and strife. It gives a beautiful start to the day and helps you grow in your work. It keeps the mind positive and healthy and brain at peace. Good morning everyone. Myself Ipsita Das on behalf of Standard 9. I welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our morning assembly with DAV Gan.
School, attention! Ready for DAV Gan?
First of all, for pledge, I would like to invite.
Good morning everyone. Myself Viswaranjan Munda of class 8 presenting today's pledge. Take pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worth of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, myself Milan Kumar Patra of class 8, 10 Principle of Arya Samaj. Principle number 4. We should always be ready to accept the truth and give up on truth. Principle number 7. We should treat all people with love, fairness and due regards for their merit. Thank you.
Now, the thought of the day will be delivered by.
Good morning everyone, myself Dilip Mahana of class 8. Today's thought is, a positive start will work better than a negative one. Thank you.
School, attention! Ready for the lesson? School, candidate.
Today's news headlines will be delivered by
Good morning to all. Today's news headlines are: Government curbs export of COVID-19 rapid antigen testing kits over third wave concerns. India reports lowest daily COVID-19 cases in 5 months with 25,166 cases. Indian Air Force C-17 aircraft with 120 Indian diplomats from Kabul lands in Gujarat. Center denies Pegasus reports, says it will set up probe team. India bowl out England for 120 runs within 2 sessions to win Lord's Test. Lead series by 1-0. Men's women's hockey team arrive in Odisha, sponsor state to facilitate them. ICC Men's T20 World Cup schedule announcement. India to face Pakistan on October 24th. That's all for today's news headlines. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Devika Naik of class 8. Today's fact file are based on Paralympic Games. Fact number 1. The first Paralympic Games were held at Rome, Italy in 1960. Fact number 2. The Paralympic Games were designed to emphasize the participants' athletic achievements and not their disability. Fact number 3. The Paralympic Games involve athletes with wide range of movement, limb deficiency, short stature, vision impairment and intellectual impairment. Fact number 4. There are summer and winter Paralympic Games. Fact number 5. Paralympic Games are held every 4 years. Fact number 6. Spirit in motion is the motto of Paralympic movement. Fact number 7. Devendra Jhajaria is the first Indian Paralympic javelin thrower to win 2 gold medals at Paralympics. Fact number 8. The logo of Paralympics contains 3 colors, red, blue and green, which are the colors widely represented in the flags of nations. Thank you.
Last but not the least, word of the day will be delivered by Prapti. Good morning everybody. Today's word is contradict. Its spelling is C-O-N-T-R-A-D-I-C-T. Its meaning is to say the opposite of something. Its synonym is deny or oppose. Its antonym is approve or confirm. Its sentence is no one dared to contradict the chief. I repeat, today's word is contradict. Its spelling is C-O-N-T-R-A-D-I-C-T. Its meaning is to say the opposite of something. Its synonym is deny or oppose. Its antonym is approve or confirm. Its sentence is no one dared to contradict the chief. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
School, attention. Ready for national anthem.
Ayush.